top company on export and import construction machinery field, where gifted people gather, where the constructions are erected, where the dreams come true, and the future becomes brighter. Founded 15 years ago with the core team, who is a group of technical experts with years of experience on export and import business and construction machinery supply. In the beginning, VCM Group realized the high demand of domestic customers on construction machinery due to the development of construction factor. At that time, there were a number of producers and suppliers in the world having many different types of construction equipment. Therefore, VCM Group hoped to become a supplier, an advisor, and a buyer of individuals, enterprises, and organizations majoring on construction, transportation, export and import business, and installation construction equipment. For now, VCM Group has become a company majoring on cranes, forklifts, earth movings, imported from those countries that have developing machinery manufacturers like Japan, US, Germany, and exported into Southeast Asia countries as Thailand, Philippines, Cambodia, and Middle East countries such as Pakistan and Bangladesh. Due to the high experienced leadership team and the highly qualified enthusiastic staff, VCM Group has become a reliable partner of the domestic and international customers, as well as of the suppliers. At VCM Group, the staff is encouraged to improve individual skills and occupation specialization. Apart from supplying professional training courses for the employees, the company also makes the best condition for them to self-study and to exchange their knowledge to each other. In addition to annual training courses, the staff is also given usual programs right on VCM Group working place to share their working experience and skills that helps them enhance their knowledge and improve themselves. There are high experienced engineers who always appear right at the time there is a problem of machinery. Besides, they give the introduction to the customers about usage, maintenance of the machines for the longest longevity. The customers can totally believe in buying the products of VCM Group. VCM Group's orientation is to more expensively develop and cooperate worldwide with leading companies on construction equipment and to expand the export market so as to make VCM Group become a strong, reputable company in Southeast Asia and in the world as well.